Hello everybody. Today discuss about the topic concept and definition and formulas of the trigonometric equation. Already my YouTube channel completed trigonometric functions, trigonometry up to ratios, periodic functions, multiple and submultiple angles, trigonometry up to transformation completed my YouTube channel. See, watch that videos, you get trigonometry total information are given. Here, what is the meaning of trigonometric equation? What is the meaning of trigonometric equation? Here, an equation involving trigonometric functions. What is the meaning of trigonometric functions? Trigonometric functions nothing but sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. These are called trigonometric functions. Here the equation involving, suppose sin x is equal to 1. This is one trigonometric equation. Cos x is equal to 2. This is also cos x is equal to 1. This is also a trigonometric function. Here equation involving trigonometric functions, that is called a trigonometric equation. After that, what is the general solution and solution of a set? What is the general solution and solution of a set? Here, the set of all values of x which satisfy a trigonometric function f of x equal to 0. Here, f of x equal to 0 is a trigonometric function. In this trigonometric function, satisfied any one value of x. Here you can substitute it in place of x. You can substitute in place of x any value that function satisfied that x value. That x is called general solution or solution of set. Suppose we have to take sin x is equal to 1. Here, suppose you can write in place of x 90, sin 90 value, sin pi by 2 value is 1. That is x is equal to pi by 2 satisfied, sin x is equal to 1 function. Then x is equal to pi by 2 is a general solution or solution of a set f of x equal to 0. Next, what is the meaning of principal value of x? Principal value. What is the meaning of principal value? Suppose we have to take sin x is equal to k. Sin x is equal to k is the trigonometric function in terms of sine. Here, this sin x is equal to k trigonometric function satisfied by the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Very, very important point. Sin x is equal to k trigonometric function satisfied minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 interval. Here k is any one real number. K value is less than 1. Nothing but modulus of k value less than 1. Nothing but minus 1 plus 1 between. X k value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Here sin x is equal to k is a trigonometric equation. In this trigonometric equation satisfied minus pi by 2 interval only. Then the value of x is called, the value of x lies between these two interval is called principal of x or principal solution of sin x is equal to k. You can write any one definition. Right, next, what is the next definition? Here cos x is equal to k. Next one is what? Cos x is equal to k. Cos x is equal to k is a trigonometric function in terms of cos. In this cos x is equal to k, here also be k lies between minus 1 to 1. K lies between minus 1 to 1. After that, cos x is equal to k satisfied the interval 0 comma pi. Which interval? 0 comma pi. Sin x is equal to satisfied minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Cos x is equal to k satisfied 0 comma pi. Then 0 comma pi interval any one value is called principal value of x or principal solution set of cos x is equal to k. Sin x is equal to k completed. Cos x is equal to k completed. Next one, we can do that tan x is equal to k. Here tan x is equal to k. K belongs to real number. You can write any value of real number that tan x can be satisfied. Here tan x is equal to k, satisfying the interval once again minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. tan x is equal to k satisfied minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. In this interval you can find any one value of x. That value x is called principal value of tan x is equal to k or principal value of x. Here this one is a sin x, this one is a cos x, this one is a tan x. Next you go to next one is what here? Sin completed, cos completed, tan completed. Next one is what is the principal value of cot x is equal to k. Cot x is equal to k. Cot x is equal to k. Here also be k belongs to capital R. Here also be k belongs to capital R. Here cot x is equal to k lies in the interval of once again 0 comma pi. Tan x is equal to k, cot x is equal to k, both are satisfying to 0 comma pi interval. Here k is a real number set. Next one is secant x is equal to k. Next one is what here? Secant x is equal to k. Here k lies minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. K value lies between minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. In this case 0 comma pi interval minus pi by 2. 0 comma pi minus pi by 2 interval, 0 comma pi minus pi by 2 interval. This secant x is equal to k satisfying here k is belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Next one is last one, cosecant x. Next one is what here? Cosecant x. Cosecant x here k value once again minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Here cosecant x is equal to k. Here k belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. This is the cosecant x is equal to k. In this cosecant x is equal to k satisfying the interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 except to 0. Except to 0. Here except to pi by 2, here except to 0. That interval cosecant x is equal to k will be satisfied. The value lies between these intervals is called principal values or principal set of tan x is cot x is equal to k and secant x is equal to k and cosecant x is equal to. Next one is solution set of sin x is equal to 0. Here sin x is equal to 0. What is the solution set of sin x is equal to 0? X is equal to n pi. What is the solution set? N pi. Sin pi, sin 0, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, sin 4 pi. Nothing but here n belongs to z. Z is an integer. Sin of minus pi, sin of minus 2 pi. These all values are 0. This is the solution set of sin x is equal to 0 form. Next one, the solution set of cos x is equal to 0 form. Which form? Cos x is equal to 0. That is the solution set is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here cos x is equal to 0. Nothing but cos 90, cos 270, cos 5 pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2. These all values cos x value equal to 0. Then 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is the standard form of the cos x is equal to 0. General solution. Here also be n belongs to z. Next you go to tan. Tan x is equal to 0. Tan x which value 0? Tan 0 0. Tan nothing but sin by cos. Sin values 0. That all values tan also be 0. Sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, sin 4 pi, sin 6 pi, these are values 0. That's why sin x is equal to 0 and tan x is equal to 0. Both are general solutions are equal. Why? Because tan x nothing but sin by cos. If sin x is equal to 0, tan also be 0. That's why tan x is equal to 0. General solution also be n pi, n belongs to z. Next, cot x is equal to 0. Cot x is nothing but cos by sin. If cos x, which value is 0? Cos 90 0, cos 270 0. That value also be cot also be 0. Why? Because cot nothing but cos by sin. You can know general solution of cos and cot both are equal. Cos x is equal to 0, general solution 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Cot x is equal to 0, general solution 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, both are similar. Secant x is equal to 0 and cosecant x is equal to 0. General solution cannot be determined. Why? Because secant which value 0? Secant which degree 0? That is not possible. That's why secant x is equal to 0. Also be not determined general solution. Next, you goes to solution set of sin x is equal to k form. Here sin x is equal to 0 form. Next, you goes to sin x is equal to k form. Here k is a k value lies between minus 1 to 1. K value lies between minus 1 to 1. What is the general solution of sin x is equal to k? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here n belongs to z. Alpha is a principal solution. Here n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. N belongs to z. Alpha is the principal solution. Already explained principal solution definition. You read that definition, you get easily understood this concept. Next, the solution of cos x is equal to k. Here also the k value lies between minus 1 to 1. In this case, what is the general solution? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. 2n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to z. Alpha is also the principal solution. Similarly, tan x is equal to k. What is the general solution of tan x is equal to k? Tan x is equal to k. General solution is n pi plus alpha. N belongs to z. Alpha is once again alpha is what here? Principal solution. What is the tan x is equal to k? General solution. Tan x is equal to k. General solution is n pi plus alpha. Here n belongs to z. Alpha is a principal solution. Well, what is the general solution of cot x is equal to k? Cot x is equal to k. Cot x is equal to k. General solution also be k belongs to r n pi plus alpha. What is the general solution of cot x is equal to k? Cot x is equal to k. General solution also be n pi plus alpha. Here n belongs to z. Alpha is a principal solution. Similarly, secant x is equal to k. What is the general solution of secant x is equal to k? Secant x is equal to k. General solution. What is the reciprocal of secant? Cos. Cos general solution, secant general solution same. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here n belongs to integer. Alpha is the principal solution. Similarly, cosecant x is equal to k. Cosecant x is equal to k. General solution is cosecant nothing but reciprocal of sine. What is the general solution of sine? That where the general solution equal to cosecant k. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here n is a integer. Alpha is a principal solution of this condition. This is a general solution of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant is equal to k form. First general solution which form? Sin x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0, tan x is equal to 0, cot x is equal to 0 completed. In this case, secant x is equal to 0, cosecant x is equal to 0 cannot be determined. Next general solution type, sin x is equal to k, cos x is equal to k, tan x is equal to k, cot, secant, cosecant. These are general solution completed. Next type is what? Next type, sin square x is equal to sin square alpha form. Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, or cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, or cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square x is equal to tan square alpha, or cot square x is equal to cot square alpha, or secant square x is equal to secant square alpha, or cosecant square x is equal to cosecant square alpha. These all forms having same general solution. A very important point. What is that point? Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, tan square x is equal to tan square alpha, cot square x is equal to cot square alpha, secant square x is equal to secant square alpha, cosecant square x is equal to cosecant square alpha. These all forms of the general solutions are equal. That is n pi plus or minus alpha. What is the general solution? What is the general solution, sir? the general solution is n pi plus or minus alpha. Here n is a integer, alpha is a principal solution of sin alpha is equal to sin x. Which condition? Sin square alpha equal to sin square x. Cos alpha equal to cos x. Cos square alpha equal to cos x. General solution. Tan alpha equal to tan x. Tan square alpha equal to tan alpha. In this case, here this is the principal solution. Sin in terms of sin alpha equal to sin x. In terms of cos alpha equal to cos x. In terms of tan alpha equal to tan x. In terms of secant alpha equal to secant x. In terms of cot alpha equal to cot x. In terms of cosecant alpha equal to cosecant x. This is a principal solution of alpha. Here this is very important point. This point you cannot neglect this point. This point is very important. That point you get alpha value. That point you can use, you get alpha value. This is the different types of the forms of the trigonometry equations. You get general solutions of each form explained in this trigonometry equation. Concept and definition of the trigonometry equation completed. Okay, thank you.